It's another unboxing video because I have a antique clothing shopping consumption. I'm not going to say problem because I don't think it's a problem. I have enough space to hoard them, so it's not technically a hoard, yes? But I have acquired some new study pieces for my personal collection and I am super duper excited about it. So that is what we're going to be doing today on this special channel. I'm glad you're here. It'd be sad if you weren't. I'd be alone. With just me and my dogs. And Jimmy. So thank you for being here. Yay! How is my phone vibrating? Am I not recording? I'm not recording this. Well, that's good. That works. Fine, that's no problem. Let's lay it out. I said, please, tissue paper, yeah. I also realized I'm wearing the same dress that I wore in the other unboxing video. Oops. How will you know it's an unboxing video? This dress. The box itself is sealed. Ooh. My hands are as clean as they're gonna be. These pieces are not meant to be like beautiful examples. I purchased them because they were falling apart, therefore inexpensive. I guess she just threw this in. It's a pretty blue though. Wow, this thing is shattered. Whoa, oh my god. Oh my god. This looks like a sleeve. This literally looks like I just have like blue silk scraps. Like I know that it's a thing. Okay, I see buttons. Oh my god, this thing, whoa. Whoa. If I'm gonna take a guess, it looks like a 19 teens sailory falling apart peplum-y blouse shirt thing. Jesus, it looks like a cat. Like it got in a fight with a lion. Woo! Insane. It is so shredded. How is this even, still together? Oh my god. Oh, it's so cute though. Oh, you'd be so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna think on you because right now the masochist in me is like, I wonder if I can save it. Not to actually make it wearable, but like support it so I can actually pull a pattern from it. You poor shredded baby. Wow. All right. Petticoat is the big one, but I'm gonna do the Victorian bodice first. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at you. My goodness. So we have a crepey silk challis on the outside. It has been lined, partially lined with organza and silk taffeta at the front, and then the back of it is just polished cotton twill. Has a beautiful grosgrain waistband. No maker label, it looks like. Nope, no label. If there was a label, it's been removed. It's boned. Looks like baleen. Feels like baleen. So yeah, it has baleen strips in it, nice and thin. They're not sprung, really. They're secured at the top, but they're not like pushed down. Oh, this is really nice. Straightforward construction. Good condition. Very simple construction. Wow, yeah. No, this is super easy. There were some sort of sleeves at some point in time. They've been taken out. You can see evidence of the stitching being removed, and there's still like threads like hanging out. Are you stitched down? Oh, we have a little drawstring. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, a little bit of the blue girl's shedding. My goodness. Okay. Ooh. Looks nice, just straight down the center front. Actually pretty straightforward. No need to complicate things. The silk organza is not connected at the neckline to the lining, so it floats above it. It's in pretty good condition. There's some tear spots, but this stuff is like spiderweb. It's so fine. It's so thin and so fine. And yeah, it's just been like hand tacked underneath the jelly crepey fabric. So she's been pleated down and then it V's in. I don't actually know what time period this would be, simply because there's no sleeves on it. Could be 1880s, could be 1890s, could have been that, and then the sleeves ripped off for Edwardian era. I don't know. It's a mystery, but it's pretty. Look at that. In the back, it has two massive eyes for hooks to hold the skirt on. Very simple construction. Very, very simple. The lining looks like the lining was fit to the body. Like if I was to make this, like this is how I would do it, is I would take the cotton twill lining and I would fit that, and then I would put all of this silk over top of it. I would just build that after the fact. That's how I would do it. So yeah, she's her internals are in great shape. Her external gauzy bits here are not in as good of shape, but actually not bad, and there's pretty ribbons still there. That's amazing. Nice. That's very elegant. That's very, very elegant. I like this fabric. I think this would make a beautiful ball gown, and I could see it with like mixed with satin or in some taffeta to have this play of textures, because that's what you see in like late Victorian ball gowns. They're really sophisticated in that they have the same color, so a lot of things are monochromatic, but it's the textures of the fabric that they're using that really like makes the eye go, ooh, what's this? Oh, this is fascinating. Ooh. Oh, if only you had the sleeves, little baby. Only you had the sleeves, but you don't, so that's okay. Ooh, you have hook straps. All of the stuff I've gotten has had hook straps for hangers. That's really cool. And now, the big one. So again, this thing is shredding bad. It's a really pretty taffeta check. It's like plum with scented shredding. Purpley plummy color in one way, and then, a wine red with black shot taffeta, and then it has a silver, very, 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 very small check in it. So it has a very nice iridescence to it. So the front of it actually is just the fabric here. It's just a cheap cotton. The waistband is not the same fabric, so that's either been replaced or they used a sturdier textile for the waistband. So it goes down. So obviously the front of this would have been straight and pretty low because of how the petticoat looks. It has bias ruffles all the way down. They're finished, but they're not actually properly hemmed. The raw edge is still there since they're caught on the bias. They've just been folded and then stitched twice for like sturdiness and design by machine. Hello, piecing. Great to see ya. Oh, I'm gonna turn another light on. This is gonna f with my lighting, but it's a little brighter now. Not as moody. So we have, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 biased ruffles. All right, so they're cut into strips, they're folded over. 2 gathering stitches done by hand are done, pulled up, just kind of slapped onto the petticoat, and then stitched down twice. The hem at the bottom is just the bias folded up once, 2 rows of stitching for design, and like I said, I think sturdiness. The panel, it's piece, but it's on the front. So the front is straight, there's darts for shaping. The bottom 5 ruffles go all the way around. Oh, cool. Okay. So the overskirt is attached. That's really neat. This is really coarsely made. Like this is not nice at all. Like looking at this, we oversew our costumes something fierce. Let me tell you, just looking at this, raw edges, crappy stitching. This is great though. I love badly made historic pieces because what that means is that you don't have to make yours nice either. So based off of this, the aesthetic and like where this stuff is sitting, I would wager this is probably 1880s. We have really, really tight cartridge stitches at the very, very back. Very, very tight, very, very full. Girl after my own heart here. Okay, well not everything about this petticoat is badly made. So this is a similar construction technique that I do for 18th century gathers. You draw it up and then you catch every single bump. And this person did that because the stitching on this waistband's incredible. The waistband for the back is actually the silk taffeta as well as a polished cotton. It's very, very thin, so there's no bulk there, but it is actually the silk taffeta. We have some basting stitches that's super raw. And then yeah, the top of this is just the polished cotton and the other kind of khakis. It's been tacked onto it. The gathers and ruching have just been tacked on. The ruffles are just here in the back. That's cool. The entire back of this petticoat is not out of silk. They just did it in the ruffles. If you were to flip this up, it's just the plain cotton. It's actually a really good idea if you're a little short on fabric. You can probably make this work. Yeah, a lot of piecing, but you can do it. This just looks like it's a piece that's just been swagged and tacked. Very, very cool. Let's look at the hem real fast. Look at that, all this polished cotton. Love a good polished cotton. The hem is bound in wool tape. The silk is in the lining. They're like this and then stitched with a running stitch, and then the binding goes over that. Cool. It's very sturdy down here. I think there's an extra layer of polished cotton in there. I can't confirm it, but just how it looks here on the inside, I would wager there might be two. It also feels stiffer, so I think that this probably has an extra layer of polished cotton in there to help hold the skirts out, which is cool. We will see these pieces again, guys, because you know I gotta make this. It has been a blast. Time for me to go. If you like what you see and you just wait. So I'm in the middle of editing the video that's you're watching right now, and it's yesterday or today, and I realized going through the video that I don't actually have like footage of the thing that I discovered after I had done the initial unboxing, but it's so cool that I had to like stop the video and tell you all what it was, because girls, you know what's up. It has a pocket. It has a hidden pocket. I'm on my handheld, so I apologize for the shaky camera, but I had to like get this filmed so I can finish the video for tomorrow morning, or right now. Yeah, okay. I didn't apparently pay that close of attention about the lining and things like that, but so here at the front of it, let me, don't look at me, look over here, hold on. All right, now we're both kind of in focus here. Okay. Oh gosh, guys, I'm sorry. Where are you, hidden pocket? So here we go. So there's the waist. So here's the first ruffle. And like, there's like basically where the hip bone is. So hip bone. So down here, there is a little slit under the ruffle, and it goes all the way down to there. It is so cool. It's this hidden pocket, and it's super deep. Like, la 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 la. Surprise! That looks like the thing from Tremors. Anyway. Yeah! Hidden pocket in the bustle! Isn't that like just, oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. I was so stoked to find that. And like, I needed to share that with you guys because it's really cool. Let me just, hold on. I'm so sorry. Like, I haven't showered in like 2 days. And because I've been dealing with everything, and then I'm in editing mode, and here we are. I also want to say really quickly, and I'm going to try not to get emotional. This week has been crazy. Like, absolutely cuckoo bananas crazy. And I'm blown away by the views, by the you know, comments, and I to be honest, I've stopped reading a lot of them because it's like 1,500 comments at this point, and like my little like Libra rising heart can't handle a lot of controversy. So I'm just trying to like not get myself too worked up, because yeah, 300,000 of you have watched that video about my experience working at a living history museum, you know, for most of my 20s, and what that was like. And it's not fully registering yet that like that many people know my story now, or that I now have over 18,000 subscribers in a week. Like, that I went from 1,600 subscribers that Friday, and now I have 18,000. It's crazy. I feel so blessed. I feel extremely excited for the future, and I am so stoked for those of you who decided to subscribe to my channel, who want to hang out with me on Sundays and get to know me, and I want to get to know you all as well. I am just like beside myself with what's happened. And you know, since I needed to film the secret pocket, I also just wanted to say thank you. Thank you all so much. It's been just mind-boggling, and I am just beside myself with excitement, terror, and gratitude. And I hope
that you all who are here with me, hanging out with me, know that we are going to have loads of fun. I love having a good time, and I want to share with you all my knowledge. I want to share with you all my failures and my successes, and I just cannot wait to get to know the almost 20,000 of you that are here with me now. And for those of you who maybe are just finding me, or you're watching some of my other videos after watching the what I wore for 5 years, like, if you like hanging out with me, like, subscribe. I would love to have you here. And yeah, can we just talk about this, like, the secret pocket? Lots of love, lots of light, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.
I love my cutting table as like my hello, welcome to my show table, because I can just throw my shit underneath of it. Yay! Let's get some mood lighting happening. I don't even know they can be seen. Do, but I like the smell, so I'm gonna set my sewing room on fire. Woo!